Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem codes for free in Monopoly Go. Now, in order for us to redeem codes for free in Monopoly Go, there are actually two ways. First, we can just head to Google and search in Monopoly Go codes. Now when you search these, it will show us a variety of websites that we can select. Now here there are actually different links, so let's select this, for example, Super Cheats. Now when we select Super Cheats, it will lead us here. Now when we scroll all the way to the bottom, we can just select one of these. It'll actually give free dice rolls in our account, but we have to open this on our phone. Right now on my PC, so let's try it on my PC. So if you select this, for example, it will open the Apple Store here, and since we're on PC, we cannot open it. So on my phone, let's head to my phone real quick. So we are currently on my phone right now, as you can see, free dice links from Monopoly Go. So let's select the first one over here, which is October 14th. Now when we select it, it'll bring us to the Monopoly Go app. Now let's let it load for a while. Now once the game is loaded, as you can see, we have received 25 dice for free. All you have to do is press collect and it will bring the dice in our account. As you can see, I had 0, now I'm at 25 coins or dice, I mean. Now let's select the second link, October 14th as well. And as you can see, 25 dices for free. So in overall, we have 50 dices. So the second one that we could do is head to the top right corner of our app, these three lines, and select Tycoon Club. Now once Tycoon Club is loaded in, all you have to do is find redeem codes or reward codes, just select this. And reading here, we gotta make sure that we're logged in with our Facebook and enter code. Now, in order for us to find the reward codes, we have to find it in the game. It's actually kind of hard. I haven't received any reward codes yet, but if you want to redeem any codes, these are actually given for free, but we'll have to find it in game. Just head to Tycoon Club, reward codes, and then reward codes. Just type in your code over here. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.